Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into a comprehensive Evernote review to see if it is truly remain the #1 note-taking app. So to get started, Evernote is like a digital notebook. You can use Evernote to create notes for anything you want to remember. Think of it as one of the place for all your ideas, list, and web pages. You can make different notebooks to keep things separate, like school stuff in one or a grocery list in another. A good thing about Evernote is that it syncs your notes across all your devices. There's also Evernote Premium, a type of subscription that offers extra helpful features. One that needs features is web climbing. Evernote helps you get and organize and keep everything in one easy find spot. Now, talking about the best features of this platform, you come with different type of features. Evernote isn't just a place to type note. It has some really cool tools to help you get things done. So these features can make you a super organizer. So one of these best features is the note itself, together with the task on the platform. So it comes with the calendar and a template together with a super space creator. Now, talking about the pricing plan, they offer different type of pricing plan. They have a personal plan, they have a professional plan, and enterprise plan. So if you want more information about this plan, you can simply get back to the website, visit the link in the video to access the price list and the key features for each plan to help you decide if a particular plan will fit for you. Now, talking about the pricing, the pros and cons, it's good to understand the pros, the cons, which is the advantages and the disadvantages of a particular platform before diving into it. So I'm going to review the good side of this platform. So one of these good sides of this platform is it comes with a versatile note taking together with a cross-platform synchronization and a powerful organization together with a task management. Now, talking about the downside, occasionally performance issue, and also have a limited native calendar which sketch discontinuation. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.